Hi, my name is Mvusele Lohuni, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the Organization of Rural Associations for Progress. That's ORAP here in Zimbabwe. I'm very excited to make this presentation about our work with Mary's Meals. 2024 has been a very difficult year for Zimbabwe because of the drought that came after the El Nino phenomenon was seen from 2023. In Zimbabwe, we've had recurrent droughts occurring for the past 24 years or more, with every drought becoming worse. The 2023 to 2024 agricultural season has been one of the worst rainfall seasons in history, in the last 40 years or so, with most countries in Southern Africa receiving less than 70% of their normal rainfall. In Zimbabwe, that means that only approximately 48% of households may have enough cereal during the peak hunger period from October 2024 to March of 2025. In one province, which is Matabeleland South, up to 3,500 livestock deaths were reported over a 4-month period. And assessments show that the majority of households consistently have poor food consumption and dietary diversity scores. These drought effects have a direct impact on students that are going to school. These factors, they directly impact these students, especially in rural communities. What we've seen is that more children neither have breakfast nor food to carry to school. More children are likely to miss school at least once a week due to food unavailability. More children have difficulties in concentration due to hunger, and they perform poorly at school and sports when they are hungry. Since March of 2022, we have achieved our mutual objective of providing a meal every day for all the children in all the schools that we are working in. This has led to an increase in enrollment and attendance rates, which both students and teachers attribute to the school feeding program.